Today, we're grilling a full BBQ chicken to tender, smoky, and bursting with flavor. It's easier than it looks, I promise. Let's start. Let's make sure the skin is smooth and clean. Choose you. No feathers allowed on our grill party chicken. First, clean your chicken well under running water. Make sure to remove any little feathers left behind. Pat it dry though. You don't want extra water when grilling. Now feel the chicken, pulpless, smooth, tender, and ready to be marinated.
Start by separating the legs and wings first. Bone. Don't rush white.
Now for the fun part, the marinade. Add 2 spoons of BBQ sauce, 1 spoon of chili powder, a pinch of salt. Now massage the chicken. Huddle. Yes, gently. Coat it fully, make sure every part is covered with flavor. Let the chicken rest for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, get your grill ready. A good BBQ is all about timing, heat, and patience. Place the chicken skin side down. See that golden color? That's the flavor showing up for the party. Brush it with sauce every few minutes for that shiny glaze. Look at that. Juicy, smoky, and perfectly cooked. Brush one last layer of BBQ sauce and serve it hot. Hey food lovers! Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tasty new video.